Welcome everyone to this edition of Current Connect. Today we'll talk about FASTag. National Highway Authority Limited has rolled out program for electronic toll collection on toll plazas on national highways to be called as FASTag. The FASTag will be mandatory for all vehicles passing through the toll plaza. Let us see what is the connect. The FASTag is a small reusable tag that needs to be affixed to your vehicle's windshield. It works on radio frequency identification technology or RFID technology and allows instant cashless payments either from your bank account directly or from your FASTag linked wallet. Indian Highways Management Company Limited, a company incorporated by National Highways Authority of India and National Payment Corporation of India, are implementing this program. 3/4 of the lanes at toll plazas will have to be FASTag enabled, while the remaining can function as a hybrid model. The system is operational across more than 500 state and national highways across the country and will be soon made available at petrol pumps for fuel purchases. Let us see how is this connected to the UPSC syllabus. Positives of the FASTag. It will reduce traffic at toll plazas and unnecessary fuel consumption, thereby curbing pollution. It will minimize the traveling time. It also enables direct cashless transactions, making the system of toll collection transparent. It will help in terms of getting a far more accurate count of traffic and the category of vehicles that pass through the gates. FASTag has been integrated with e-way bill, which will help the revenue authorities in tracking the movement of vehicles and ensure that they are traveling to the same destination that the transporter or the trader had specified while generating the e-bill. Negatives of FASTag. Several commuters have complained of technical glitches with money getting deducted twice from their bank accounts or e-wallets and the tag not working. Possibility of location tracking of individuals by agencies which can invade into the privacy of an individual. There is no provision to switch from one bank to another. To switch to a new bank, you have to surrender or block the current one and buy a new FASTag. This topic can be connected to GS Paper 3.